Hello and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would give you a update into the WIG 2023 seed challenge or indoor growing challenge. What you're looking at are my lead pots. The one on the right has a Savannah mustard in it and some cilantro and some parsley. It also in the back has a pepper plant. The name of the pepper I forget currently, but it has a couple of fruit that are starting to set. The one on the left, the bigger one, has a collard green in the front. Actually, two collard greens in the front. It has a bok choy cabbage and a couple other plants that have sprouted and are starting to grow. These are doing pretty well. They're growing not as quickly as I would like, but at least they're growing. So the grow bags that you see, the one on the left has nothing in it. The one on the right has nothing in it. The one in the middle has some seed tape containing turnips, a variety called Amelia. I planted them a couple days ago, so they haven't sprouted yet, but I'm being patient and hopefully they will. The grow tray, or the tray in front, the black one, I planted these on the 22nd, these seeds that you're looking at, and the majority of them have started to pop and come up. They're doing well, and I appreciate that. The seeds in the green tray that you see haven't really done anything. I have one or two plugs with leaks and nothing else, which is why I started the second tray of seeds. So hopefully I will get more seeds to germinate, and then we can get this seed challenge on the way. If anything changes, I'll bring you back and do another update. So until then, I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.